If you wanna play games, play games, play games, play games, play.
To the wise, don't pelvic thrust the ground. Oh, that was not how you yoga.